Okay, now that we're ready to work with the videos, first I want to see how many videos I need in this sequence, and I will just check here my Sopranos folder, and I have in my Finder the details. There are 20 items, so I want to have this frame at the very top of all the items. So what I'm going to do is add tracks. So right now there are 6 tracks, so we want to add 15 more for a total of 21 tracks. So I just right click the track area to add tracks, video tracks, 15. And now we should see that there are 21 tracks. Okay, so whenever you need to readjust your view, you should do so. Sometimes, see, you can easily lose your position. If you hit the shift key and drag up, it will keep the same X point. So that's one way to do it. And then I will just lock this layer while I'm working so it's not messed up. Same thing with the audio. I don't want things to be moving around. It can mess up your timing with the captions and the other sequences, so just note that. Okay, so then it's up to you how you want to work. You can drag all of them to the first layer and they will just be next to each other horizontally, or you can edit them one by one. I will do it one by one just for this example. And usually there are some extra footage at the beginning or at the end. So this is why we want to compare the audio. So first what I do is actually just check the audio peaks. So around where it looks like the peaks are higher, that would be where probably the singer is starting to sing. Sometimes audio is hard to hear or hard to match. In that case, you just have to use your eye to match their lips and kind of watch through that the timing is correct. It should start around where the frames start. If you feel like it's a little bit off, maybe like a couple frames, I'm not feeling like it's matched 100%, but maybe it's like, you know, like a few frames off. It feels a little bit. Let's actually listen to this again. I guess it's okay. I don't know. I wasn't feeling like it was spot on. So after you've matched the video to the audio, you can delete the audio that's linked to this video file. So I will unlink. So I right clicked on the audio of the singer, and I'll unlink that, and then just now I can delete that layer. And I have my video layer here. I just want to make sure that the end, it's a little bit hard to see with 20 layers in between, but this is how, oh, but we have the snapping function, so I hope this is the right, or you could just, okay, that's the end. Now we want to crop and scale. So for the crop, so one reason why I like to, I forgot about this, actually add all the videos at once is because I can select all the videos, go into my effects, search for crop, and I can just drag it to all of them. Now there's this purple FX icon to indicate that there's a change. So when I select this video clip and I'm in my effect controls, you see now there's a crop setting here. So what I want to do is I was going to either click position or scale, and then yeah, I think have her fit in a square. That's good. And you can use this center position. And now that the scale and position is quite good, you can go into the crop. And what I like, you can manually adjust the crop size here, or if you click crop here and you see the blue resize outline, you can adjust these settings like this. So I just want to make sure that she fits in the box, and if you're not sure, you can increase the zoom and see where it hits. And then let's take a look. So that's how we would do this, and you would have to do this repeatedly. So when you're ready for your next clip, just click and drag that on top, and you can see the next person will be on top of the previous layer. So you would just keep doing these same steps for all the layers until we're done.